One of my biggest pet peeves when taking a course on Udemy is when the instructor just gives you the course and leaves you at that. There's no help from them, and they don't even explain how to take their course. So here in this lecture, I want to teach you how to take this course properly, how to ask questions, and how to get a guaranteed win out of this course. So how do you get a guaranteed win out of this course? Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to take the first step. You need to get started. So if you purchase this course, don't just let it sit there for months and months. Go ahead and watch the first lecture at least, so you've taken that first step. You don't have to watch it every single day. You don't have to watch an hour a day. Just make sure you watch a little bit at a time and then finish the course. Most people fail at what they want to do because they don't stick to it. So I highly recommend that you completely finish this course if you really want to learn how to create game graphics for 2D games. Secondly, ask questions. I'm here to answer all of your questions. There's no such thing as too many questions or dumb questions. So please ask as many questions as possible. The way you ask questions in the course is by coming over here on the course dashboard and coming to the Q&A tab. And then you can go ahead and search a question in this search bar here. And that will search through all the questions that have previously been asked by students to see if your question has already been answered. If it hasn't been answered yet, you can go ahead and hit Ask a New Question right here. And then you can title your question and add a description to it, add an image or links if you need to, and then post your question. And I will answer everybody's questions within 24 hours to 48 hours of you posting it. If you need to ask me a question in private or have private remarks to give to me, you can go ahead and send me a private message. Like all things, you're going to get whatever you put into this out of it. So just remember, ask any questions you have, and I am more than happy to answer them. Number 3 is do the assignments. Throughout the course, I'm going to be giving you assignments where it's going to exercise the knowledge that you've learned in the course, as well as exercise your creative knowledge and logical thinking. This is how you're going to become a very polished artist and really get to know your stuff. Number 4 is take the quizzes. I want you to take the quizzes because this will help you solidify the knowledge that you've learned throughout the course. And lastly, I want you to share and participate in the course. So when I have you do an assignment, I'm going to ask you to share it to the course. So there are 2 places you can share it. You can either share it to the Q&A section of the course, and what you'll do is you're going to type in the title of your project, and then down here you're going to do a little description, but you don't have to give it a description. All you have to do is hit this image icon, and you'll be able to upload an image and share it with everybody in the course. You can also share it to the Facebook page, which I'll leave a link to after this lecture, and share it there, and people will be more than happy to give you feedback, to give you motivation. This is a community of artists, and we're all here to help each other. To get you in the habit of sharing, what I want you to do is I want you to come to the Q&A section, and I want you to share a little bit about yourself. So in the question title, put something like "About Me," and then what I want you to do is come down to the description and type a little description about yourself. It can be 2, 3, maybe 4 sentences, and just let us know what you're doing, if you're working on any cool projects, and where you're from. If you'd like, you can also add images and links to any of your previous work. By sharing your work, it's going to motivate you to create even better work, and it's also going to inspire other students. That brings us to the end of this lecture. So in this lecture, you learned how to get a guaranteed win out of this course. Follow these 5 steps and you will get a guaranteed win. Let's go over them. Number 1 is to take the first step and finish the course. Even if it takes you 6 months to finish it, just make sure you finish it. Number 2 is to ask as many questions as possible. Number 3 is do the assignments. Number 4 is take the quizzes. And number 5 is share and participate. Thanks for watching this lecture, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.